I'm Joan Kaylor, and what do I know about OCD? I know a lot. Okay, I'm a licensed professional counselor. I've been helping children and families since 1994. I took the first Behavior Therapy Institute from the International OCD Foundation in 1996. I have been studying OCD since 1989. I served on the board of directors of the International OCD Foundation. There isn't anyone out there who knows more about OCD than me. So I am a teacher, I am a professional presenter, and I am a therapist, and I'm going to take you through a process now. So that's who I am. I can't wait to learn who you are, but that's who I am, and that's why I want to bring this course to you to help you with your OCD.